Well, every major tech company is investing billions into artificial intelligence, and crypto is quickly merging with that revolution. But here's the problem: most AI crypto coins are pure hype, and if you buy the wrong ones, you could end up, holding tokens that will never recover. In this video, I am going to be showing you some of the most promising AI crypto projects that investors are holding long term going into 2026. These are projects actually holding real infrastructure for AI economy, not just memes, okay? And I'm also going to show you where many people are quietly accumulating these coins right now. So let's get into it. Artificial intelligence needs three things: a massive computing power, huge amount of data, and decentralized infrastructure, okay? And that's exactly where blockchains actually come in. AI focused crypto projects are building networks for things like decentralized machine learning, GPU computing power, and AI marketplaces and AI agents that automate tasks, okay? So because of this, AI crypto has quickly become one of the strongest narrative in the crypto market right now. So some of the largest AI crypto projects already have multi-billion dollars on market caps and are actually expected to grow as AI adoption also increases globally. One question I see a lot is, where do you actually find these AI crypto coins? Okay? So many of them are available on major exchanges, but a lot of traders prefer using platforms that list new and emerging crypto projects earlier, okay? So one platform that has been gaining attention lately is CoinEx. So CoinEx is a global crypto exchange that actually supports a large number of altcoins and emerging crypto narratives, including many AI related tokens out there. What some people like about it is that it often lists new projects earlier than larger exchanges, which actually gives investors access to smaller market cap opportunities, okay? So if you are researching AI crypto projects and you want to see which ones are actually available, you can actually check the platform here. So I'm going to be leaving the link in this video description for you, okay? Of course, you always need to carry out your own research before buying any crypto coin. Now let's take a look at some of the most promising projects out there. The first project here is BitSensor. So BitSensor is basically trying to build a decentralized neural network instead of AI models being controlled by big tech companies. BitSensor actually allows developers to train AI models collaboratively across a decentralized network, okay? So participants actually contribute computing power and machine learning models, and in return they actually earn the network token tau. This idea is extremely powerful because it could actually create open AI economy where anyone can actually participate, okay? So this is actually gained massive attention in the crypto space and is considered one of the largest AI crypto projects by market capitalization. So that's why many long-term investors actually believe that if decentralized AI becomes a thing, then BitSensor could actually be one of the biggest beneficiaries, okay? Next up is Render token. So Render token actually solves a massive problem in AI. Training AI models actually requires insane GPU. So instead of companies buying expensive GPUs, Render actually allows users to rent unused GPU and power from people around the world, okay? So you can actually think of it like Airbnb but for GPU. So this decentralized computing marketplace can be used for AI training, 3D rendering, machine learning, and metaverse graphics, okay? So as AI demands grows, the need for GPU compute network like Render could increase drastically. That's why many investors actually see Render as a long-term infrastructure play, okay? So another interesting project is Fetch AI. So Fetch AI actually focuses on something called the autonomous AI agent. This agent can actually perform tasks automatically without human intervention. For example, we have optimizing supply chains, managing energy system executing financial transactions. So Fetch AI's technology allows these agents to interact and transact with each other on the blockchain. This idea could actually unlock an entirely new digital economy where AI agents actually handles complex tasks on behalf of humans. Fetch AI is also part of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, which actually aims to combine several AI crypto projects into a unified ecosystem, and that collaboration could be huge for long-term growth. So next is the Near protocol. Technically, Near is not purely an AI project, but it has actually positioned itself as one of the most AI-friendly blockchains. The network actually focuses on scalability, developer tools, and infrastructure that can support AI-driven applications. Okay, so because of its strong ecosystem and developer activities, Near has actually become one of the largest AI-aligned crypto projects by market capitalization. Okay, and many people actually believe it could become a key blockchain for AI-powered Web3 apps. So another important project is the Graph. So the Graph is basically Google for blockchain data. It indexes blockchain data and actually makes it easier for developers to build applications. So this actually becomes extremely useful for AI systems that actually need some large data set. Okay, so instead of manually scanning blockchain, AI applications can query the graph to receive data instantly. Because AI actually relies heavily on data access and indexing, the graph could actually play an important role when it comes to AI crypto ecosystem. So next is Internet Computer. So Internet Computer is one of the most ambitious blockchain project. It actually aims to build a fully decentralized internet where application runs directly on chain. And recently, developers have been exploring ways to deploy AI applications directly on this network. So instead of relying on centralized cloud services, AI models could run on decentralized infrastructure. So that is why ICP is becoming increasingly relevant in discussions about AI and Web3. Alright, so now here is something very important. Not every AI crypto project will actually survive. In fact, most won't. So when evaluating these coins, you need to look for three key things. One, real technology. Is the project actually building something useful for AI, or is it just riding the AI hype? Secondly, you need to take a look at strong developer activity. The best projects usually have active developers and frequent updates. Okay. Number three is real partnership or adoption. So if companies or developers are actually using the technology, that is a very strong signal. AI is still in the early stages of its crypto integration. So the projects building real infrastructure today can actually become the giant tomorrow. So to recap, some of the most interesting AI crypto projects to watch going into 2026 include Bitten Render, Fetch AI, Near Protocol, the Graph, and the Internet Computer. Each of these projects is trying to build a different piece of the AI ecosystem. And as artificial intelligence continues to expand globally, the demand for decentralized AI infrastructure can actually grow massively. Okay, right. So remember that crypto is extremely volatile. So it's always advisable you do your own research and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Okay, so if you actually found this video helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I am going to see you in the next one.